Hi, everybody. Do you want to know how to stay at Atlantis Bahamas for free? Well, it's almost free. It's about $80 a day in fees only, which is basically free compared to $500 a night. Watch our coral tour and use this Caesar's Rewards perk that makes it happen. See the complete guide at our website. Join us as we tour the coral and reveal exactly what we paid, plus a sneak peek at our Royal Hotel tour. Before we show you the hotel, the best part of getting this room for free is access to Aquaventure Water Park. What is Aquaventure? It's Atlantis' 141-acre epic water park, and it's free for guests. It's got everything from a 60-foot shark tube to a 1-mile rapids river. As far as the eye can see, magical water playgrounds await. This is one of our favorite places on Earth. Here are the highlights. It has over 20 high-octane water slides, including the famous 60-foot Leap of Faith slide. A mile-long rapids river weaving you through tropical foliage. 5 miles of sugar white sand beaches, perfect for relaxing afternoons. "14 resort pools from serene grottos to adults-only cabanas. Over 20 swimmable spots. With marine life, sharks, rays, and tropical fish. There's also a kids' splash zone with fountains and family-friendly cabanas. Let's dive in. The Coral Hotel overlooks Marina Village and steps from late-night pizza and ice cream. Guests arrive under the airy portico that gives you an instant Bahamian vibe from the moment you pull up. Inside, the lobby greets you with these charming dolphin fountains. It's a relaxed yet elegant space. It's exactly what you'd expect at Atlantis Bahamas. Craving a sweet treat? Try Sun and Ice. It's just steps from the lobby, serving ice cream and sorbets, perfect for a quick cool down. Across from the lobby is the guest lounge, often hosting activities like karaoke or trivia. It's a fun hangout if you need a break from the sun or the water park. Stepping outside, you'll find Atlantis Beach. Pristine white sand and turquoise waters. It's easily one of our favorite spots to decompress and enjoy the sunshine. Day visitors now pay around $190 and sometimes over $200 per adult for access to the water park and pools. Resort guests get it bundled into their room. Check our ultimate Atlantis Beach Guide video and post on our website. Near the beach, you'll spot Predator Lagoon, where sharks and rays swim beneath a rope bridge. We'll cross above for a thrilling overhead view, then walk the underwater tunnel to get a close-up glimpse of marine life. Located right next to Lagoon Beach is the Lagoon Bar and Grill that has a distinct shell-shaped roof, perfect for quick bites and a casual drink. Heading back, connected to Predator Lagoon, there is the Coral Pool, great for both families and adults. This is the view from the Coral Towers overlooking the pool with the majestic Royal Hotel in the background. The Coral Pool features an in-pool volleyball net. Aquaventure Water Park gives you access to 13 other pools to explore. This pool is usually quieter than the main Aqua Adventure area, ideal if you prefer a more relaxed vibe. Regular cabanas and special Barbie-themed cabanas are available to rent. Check out our Atlantis website for details. There's even a swim-up bar for icy cool drinks on a hot day in paradise. Welcome to our King Terrace view room. Just inside the entrance, you'll find a large closet with lots of hangers and an in-room safe. On the right is the bathroom. It's compact but functional with the tub shower combo. The toilet's a bit close to the door, but it works. Next is a small coffee and ice counter, great for morning brews or mixing an afternoon drink. You've got a comfy king bed, flanked by bedside tables, plus a small seating area with a table in the corner for quick meals or laptop work. We have a flat screen TV that sits above the dresser, and there's an oversized chair with a built-in drink holder. Nice for chilling after a long day at the beach. The lighting and decor give off a cool Caribbean vibe, subtle but relaxed. Lastly, this large sliding door leads to a full balcony, much bigger than we expected. From here, you'll overlook the Coral Pool and Lagoon below and see the famous Royal Towers in the distance. Sunrises and sunsets from this balcony are amazing. Down in the lagoon, guests can feed cow-nosed stingrays in a hands-on encounter, a fun extra you can sometimes see right from your room. All right, let's talk cost. We used our Caesars Reward Diamond status to book a comped room at the Coral, meaning it cost us $0. It's about $80 a day in fees only. However, Atlantis requires 4 hours of rated casino play during your stay, so be sure to track your slot or table time with your player's card. Caesars Platinum can get you 4 nights at the Coral during certain months. Great if you don't gamble much. You can earn Platinum through normal casino play or by getting the Caesars Reward Visa card, which grants Platinum upon approval. Diamond status typically unlocks a yearly 3 or 4 night Coral stay. You can reach Diamond status faster with the 5 times or 10 times tier credit promo, or by matching other top tier statuses like Wyndham Diamond. Diamond Plus can get you 5 free nights at the Royal. Sometimes you won't even have a resort fee, just a daily gratuity. And remember, if you weren't staying here, you'd pay around $190 per adult per day for Aqua Adventure. Staying here includes the water park access automatically, which is a massive built-in value. Here's our folio. We do owe a daily $64.90 resort fee, plus a $14 Coral gratuity, about $78.90 a night. On certain peak dates, nightly rates can run $500 or more, meaning a 3-night stay could easily cost you $1,500 to $2,000 with taxes. So paying under $80 a night in fees is a huge savings. Fees do vary, so confirm your exact amounts when booking. Well, that wraps up our coral experience. Fantastic beach access, Predator Lagoon and rope bridge next door, a chill pool scene, and a comfy room with a surprisingly large balcony. If you have any questions about diamond status, the 4-hour play requirement, or anything else, drop a comment. Don't forget to check our blog post for more in-depth tips on Caesars Rewards, tier matches, and multiplying your tier credits. Thanks for watching Sandtastic Travels, and we'll see you soon in our Royal Towers video, where we unlock 5 nights of paradise with no resort fee. Well, if you think that's good, wait until you see what Diamond Plus gets you. You get a stay at the Royal. We paid no resort fee, just a small gratuity. That's coming in our next video, so hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Like and subscribe for more Atlantis and travel hacks. Next up, the Royal, 5 nights, no resort fee. Same incredible experience. See you soon.